Hey, I am going to show you how to hopefully fix a problem whenever you have printer coming out and it's not really giving good quality. You can tell that it's not printing right. So this is the Epson ET-2720. Probably have it starting on copy, and you're going to use the arrow to toggle over to settings. And then underneath it says what to do to select it. And it says okay to select that. So you're gonna push okay right here. And then you're gonna push maintenance. And if you toggle through, it'll give you other options. But what you're gonna wanna do is maintenance. So you're gonna wanna click this and it says okay, proceed. So you're gonna push okay. And then you're going to start with the nozzle check, and you're going to go ahead and press OK for that. And then it just wants to make sure you have paper in it, which you do. So you are going to press this symbol that is like a diamond with a line through it, which is for the print. It's right there. And then it just prints the nozzle check paper. And what we got here is some lines. And you can see the lines are kind of broken up. And then it asks a question. It says, are there any missing segments? And so this case it is. So yes. And you're going to press OK to proceed. And then it's asking if you want to clean your print head. And so we want to do that. So we're going to press yes, and that's okay. And then it asks again, clean print head to correct missing dots. And so we're going to start cleaning, and then that's the diamond with the line through it. And so then this takes a few minutes. It says do not power off until complete. It takes about 3 minutes. Afterwards, you should see the screen look like this. It says cleaning complete. Check if nozzles are not clogged. Finish is highlighted. And then the other option, if you go down, is nozzle check. And so we want to try to finish. So we're gonna push OK. That's what it says here, okay? So you press OK. And nozzle check, we're gonna do OK. And it just says load paper. Again, we're gonna check it to see if there's if it fixed anything. And we're gonna push the diamond with the line for print, which is right there. And we'll see if it comes out any better than last time. If there's still lines on the paper after this, then we can clean it again. And so it looks much better this time compared to the first time I did it, which looked like that. So yeah, you can go ahead, and it says are there any missing segments? So if there were missing segments, then you could do it again and you would just push yes. But for this right now, it's fine. So yes, or we don't have any missing segments. So we're gonna push no. So we're gonna go down to no, and then we're gonna push okay. And then we're gonna go just back home, I think. And now to get back to printing, you're gonna go over to copy, and then you can print something up. So I printed a second copy of the paper that I was trying to print earlier, and it came out much better. Here is the difference in comparison. The first copy is missing a lot of the straight lines here, and then this is the second copy. So you can see how it makes it a lot more crisp. Hope this helps. Bye.